All right, okay. So we have Luna Terra. Luna. So what the fuck happened with this thing, okay? Bro, like coin with a 40 million dollar cap or so-called stable coin fucking plummet to the downside and it's just falling down, okay? Only today it is down around 99.99%. Yesterday was around 21 point something percent. We were, like I was clearly expecting it to maybe tap in some of the money raising here to continue higher because from a technical standpoint of view everything was valid, but yeah, it just turned out to be a scammer. Okay, remember this thing had $40 billion cap, market cap. Okay, so yeah, shit's fucking wild, and it's obviously gonna go lower. I'm just wanna kind of update you all with that because obviously this is my channel. This is what my channel is for. Is there any hope for Luna? If you ask me, I would not be investing in Luna. Okay, some people were talking about, oh, like $8, 0.2 is a great price to buy. The thing even like is not worth 1 cent right now. Shit's wild, right? So yeah, either way, we'll be keeping you updated with some. As you can see, this is the watch list today, and I'm updating video every single thing that you see right here. If you see your own stock or coin, just go ahead like watch the video. It is out today. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, goodbye, and I will be keeping you updated.